You're looking at a 2024 Kia Niro EV with 13,000 miles that comes loaded, all electric. Gets about 250 miles at 100% charge. Car comes with ABS, traction stability control, alloy wheels, CCS fast charge, J1772, blind spot monitors. Red numbers right here. Cloth interior. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, projection, adjustable drive modes, USB-C, heated seats, parking cameras, navigation, adaptive cruise, 13,866 miles, power windows, power seat. It is all electric, still under full factory warranty. It's a nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.